So here are my top 5 key features for this 2024 Mitsubishi Montero Sport Black Series. So number 1 is yung kanyang 8-inch LCD meter cluster display. So hindi lang ito nagdadagdag ng more modern or futuristic look sa ating Montero Sport, it also display accurate or important information regarding this vehicle. Number 2 is adaptive cruise control. So using a built-in radar, it maintains a certain distance between the Montero Sport Black Series. Also yung sasakyan na nasa harapan niya. It also maintains a certain speed kahit hindi ka na tumapak sa gas pedal to give you additional comfort during long drives. Number 3 is yung kanyang automatic tailgate. So ito, kahit i-open mo siya using a kick motion sensor, so lalo na kapag may mga hawak kang groceries, hindi mo na kailangang gamitin pa yung kamay mo para mag-open yung tailgate. So using a kick motion, sisipa ka lang under doon sa rear part ng Montero natin. Pag na-sense nyo yung kick motion na yun, mag-automatic open yung kanyang tailgate. Number 4 naman is yung kanyang 8-way electronic adjust leather seats. So, kung nanggaling ka sa mga manual na adjustment ng sasakyan, mas ma-appreciate mo to kasi with a switch lang, you can adjust yung front and rear, incline, recline, at pati yung sakwatan natin. So, you can have your desired position para mas comfortable yung pagdadrive mo. At syempre, ang panghuli, number 5 is yung kanyang ultrasonic mist acceleration mitigation system or yung UMS. It prevents collisions while parked yung ating Montero Sport. So merong buzz sounds and warning light na lalabas doon sa ating LCD or digital gauge kapag merong na-detect na nearby obstacle sa front and sa rear. And also yung engine output natin is automatically controlled kapag aksidente nating natapakan yung ating gas pedal. So yun yung top 5 key features para sa akin na maaari mong magustuhan dito sa ating Montero Sport Black Series. So kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong content or valuable information regarding Mitsubishi models, feel free to message me on my Facebook page, TikTok account, YouTube, and you can call me on my phone number para sa mga quotations natin.